today's video, I would like to introduce a very nice problem. Here is the following setup. We have a plus 6 is divided by square root of a equals 37. If a is different than 36, find this quantity. We have a squared minus 38a plus 7. So, in fact, this is very quite an easy problem. So we are going to jump into the solution now. So we have this following setup. We have a plus 6 is divided by square root of a equals 37. So I'm simply going to bring this a to the right side of this equation. So I will get 6 over square root of a equals 37 minus a. Okay. So I'm simply going to raise number 2 as a power on both sides. So I will get 36 over a on the left hand side of this equation. I get 37 minus a quantity square on the right hand side of this equation. So I'm going to FOIL this one out. I will get 37 squared. I'll get here 2 times 37, which is 74a. I get here a squared as a last term. By crossing multiplication, so I will get a cubed, this term, minus 74a squared, plus 37 square a. By bringing this 36 to the right hand side of this equation, it becomes minus 36. The whole thing equals 0. Okay. So what's coming next? We are going to factor out this polynomial. So if you go back to the original equation, to this one, if you replace a with number 36, I get 6 over 6, which is 1. I get here, if I'm going to replace a with 36 here, I get 37 minus 36, which is 1, which means both sides of this equation equals 1, which means by manipulating this one, we get us to this expression, which means a equals 36 is a solution for this equation as well. Which means this polynomial is going to be factorized on this form. A minus 36 factor. So this one is going to be factorized on the form of the polynomial of degree 2, okay? Which means the first term must be equals a squared. Because if you distribute, this one is given as a cubed, which this one with coefficient 1, okay? Plus something, we don't know about it, plus the last term must be equals 1. Because if you distribute the last term, is given as minus 36, which is okay. So which means I need to figure out this one. So by guessing or matching the term by term, you will find here minus 38, okay? A plus number 1 in equals 0, okay? So, but remember, we have the condition a must be different than 36. If a different than 36, which means this term must be equal to 0, okay? The nice thing here, this expression is going to be almost this one, just by adding number 7, okay? So by adding number 6 on both sides, plus 6, I get 6 here on the right hand side of this equation, which means I get a squared minus 38a plus 7 equals 6. So we found the value of this one. So I have done with problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.